Welcome to the day 5 of the 7 days mindful drawing challenge for inner transformation and self-discovery. Well done, you made it to day 5. Not many did, and that means you're taking this journey seriously for yourself and you are ready for the inner change. Yesterday on day 4, we met our surface, I would say, challenges. Those challenges were just the tests for the main challenge. Think of Harry Potter meeting Voldemort. This is the culmination of our drawing challenge. This is the highest peak, but also the most difficult point in our journey. The main question that I'm going to ask you today is, what feeling have I been avoiding or pushing aside lately? This is our shadow, the hidden parts of ourselves that we feel are unaccepted, that we don't want to face them. They're the darkest, the most difficult parts. But I want to remind you that drawing your feelings in the circles, in those safe containers, is a healthy way to express and process those feelings. However, I never said that in person. I usually write down a disclaimer. If you do experience crisis or you have deep traumas that are dangerous to face right now, that are unsafe, please consult a professional therapist for that. A little secret, while I'm recording this video, things go completely wrong. The same way I've recorded my shadow video is because this is such an intense emotional part that even my electronic devices feel that. So yes, I encourage you to be completely, fully honest with yourself today, just for today, and see what might come up on the page today. Take a moment and breathe into your body. Then ask yourself this question: what feeling have I been avoiding or pushing aside lately? What did I not want to feel? And then, as always, find it in your body. Where do you hold it? What image does it have? Maybe you have some memories coming up. Let the truth inside you guide your drawing today. Draw a circle in your sketchbook. It will hold all of your feelings and make sure they don't spill out. Start drawing the image or a shape you saw. And today, I don't have any special instructions for you other than this. Fill the entire circle with what you found inside yourself. What feeling have you been hiding from? What did you not want to feel? Look into it, draw it out, express it. And remember, you're not trying to fix anything. Just witness and express what is. When you feel like everything was released, reflect. Write down 5 words that describe what you see. These can be visual or symbolic, like spider, queen, danger, or emotional, like disgusted, powerful, free. Now write a short poem from the drawing's perspective, starting with I am. Let this drawing become the voice of what you've been avoiding. Finally, write a simple message from the drawing to you, a phrase of encouragement, comfort, or clarity. Something small and true, like, I'm not here to hurt you. Thank you for seeing me. This is your drawing, a circle that holds what you once pushed away. It's here, it's part of you, and it's okay to have it. It is just as beautiful as your other parts. If you're feeling a little shaken after this drawing, pause for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine you are a strong, steady, old tree. Your roots go deep into the earth, holding you gently but firmly. The wind moves through your branches, but you are not swaying. You are safe, supported, grounded. The earth is holding you. You are not alone. So it's the end of day 5. It might felt intense for you today, and I'm with you. Facing and drawing our biggest monsters is never easy, but this is the only way to move forward. If if on everyday basis we allowed ourselves to face very unpleasant emotion or feeling and fully experience it with the whole of our body through gentle scanning or through mindful drawing or other techniques if you know them, this feeling would dissolve in minutes, maybe even seconds. And by dissolve, I don't mean disappear. It would almost like be absorbed by your body in a healthy way. Your body would accept it as this emotion is also part of me and this is healthy to experience this. So then your brain wouldn't spend so much energy of repressing that. And I hope that you've experienced this today, that if something very heavy, very old was laying at the bottom of your heart and weighing you down, that you were able to allow yourself for once, put it on paper, experience this, and that you felt that shift inside you that if you do go to this scary place, and if you open the door and look in this complete darkness, it's actually not scary. And suddenly you have the lightness, the new ideas, and everything that comes with that open space. Tomorrow, you will finally start to receive some rewards for being so brave. Thank you so much for being with me for finishing day 5, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.